I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Backup photos, documents, and app settings to an external drive or cloud so you can restore later. Once done, make sure the Surface is plugged in or has more than 50% battery. Resets can take time. Next, confirm your Microsoft account email and password because you'll need them after the reset. Now, hold the power button to wake the device. Then go to Settings to start the official reset process. Do not skip the backup step. You go into Settings, select System, then Recovery, and tap Reset this PC to begin. When prompted, choose Remove Everything for a complete factory restoration. Choose Keep My Files only if you want apps removed but personal files retained. Next, you'll pick Cloud Reinstall or Local Reinstall. Choose Cloud to download a fresh, up-to-date image, which fixes corrupted local files. Confirm the choices and click Reset. The Surface will restart and perform several automated steps, so be patient while it reinstalls Windows. You'll finish by completing the out-of-box experience. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Microsoft account, and set regional and privacy preferences. Once you reach the desktop, open Windows Update and the Surface app to install drivers and firmware. This ensures peripherals and touch work correctly. If the reset fails or the Surface loops, force a shutdown. Then create and use a Surface recovery image on a USB to recover the device. This is the one key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.